Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Optima license plate light. First, gather your tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and your replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin any work. This simple preparation helps keep you safe throughout the process. Now, let's access the light assembly. You'll find two small screws securing the license plate light cover. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these. Once the screws are out, gently use your flathead screwdriver to pry off the light cover. Be mindful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. With the cover off, you'll see the bulb socket. Twist this socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Now, simply pull the old bulb straight out from the socket. It might be a little snug, but it should come out easily. Take your new bulb and firmly insert it into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Before reassembling everything, turn on your vehicle's lights to test the new bulb. Make sure it illuminates brightly. Once confirmed, twist the bulb socket clockwise back into its housing until it locks securely. Finally, reattach the light cover, aligning it properly, and secure it with the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.